Okay, so hey yo, what's up bro gang, it's your boy Karan bro. Alright, so in this video I'm gonna show you why 2019 was one of the best year of my life. So let's begin.
Oh, you came and tucked your way into my heart. Oh, you look at me in ways I never loved. With you I know that this is all, so I don't need to take it slow. If you want me, then I believe that there's a simple remedy. We don't need no miracle, I think we've seen it all, just make the call. I'll come running over. We don't need no miracle, it's unconditional.
Okay, so on 1st January 2019 I had hit 10,000 subscriber on YouTube. After that I had worked with many brands. और मेरा एक छोटा सा ड्रीम था कि इंस्टाग्राम पे भी 10,000 फॉलोअर हिट करना है, और जो कि हम लोगों ने कंप्लीट किया ईयर एंड से पहले, और फिलहाल अभी 12,000 फॉलोअर है इंस्टाग्राम पे. सो जाओ मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो करो @Karan bro. और इसी साल मैंने अपना फर्स्ट मीटअप रखा और वो मीटअप भी बहुत बॉम गया.
First that I wanna be better, not worse, man it hurts. I'm on this earth with my words and I put them all together, insert, cause I wanna have worth. Working hella hard till they put me in the dirt. Gonna go far, man, listen to my words. Gonna be a star, man, life's like a blur. When you're working this hard, yeah, you get what you deserve. Yeah, I ain't taking a backseat, I'm passing anybody else who is rapping. I'm nasty, ain't nobody able to catch me. They gasping, they cannot compare, they can't match me. I'm an ass.
ओके, मीटअप के जस्ट बाद मेरा सिल्वर प्ले बटन आया, और सिल्वर प्ले बटन मैं अपने स्कूल में लेके गया, और ये हुआ.
It's fucking chronic, yo. It's fucking toxic like an alcoholic logic, though. It's catastrophic like a psychotic erotic, oh. Cause even though I wanna quit her, man, she kinda dope. I gotta go. I never slow down, everybody knows now. We the best to throw down, parties in the SoCal. We getting so loud, party with the whole crowd. Kick the haters all out, taking away all I've been hella focused, never slow down. Put my shit out in the open, so you know now. Everybody's
ओके, सो इन लोगों को फोटो नहीं देगा था, बराबर.
There they go now, yeah, welcome to my show, bitch. This my hometown, I'ma get it right. Focus, never slow down. Put my shit out in the open, so you know now.
Okay, some of my videos went viral, and here's the sneak peek.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep.
और तुम लोग एक क्विक शॉट दे देता सिनेमैटिक, तो तुम लोग देख लो.
I opened up my eyes to the world, I opened up my mind to it now. I opened up my heart to a girl, and hope she doesn't tear it all down. And like a little strand of her hair, a piece of her will always be found on my pillow in the shirts that I wear. Her laugh was always my favorite sound. No, I always loved all the ways you made me feel. There's nothing that compares, every day it felt so real. I couldn't get enough, you're the one whose time I'd steal. You showed me how to love, how to open up and deal, yeah. You used to call my place home, cause we never felt alone. You're the only one I want, that's the only thing I know. You used to call my place home, cause we never felt alone. You're the only one I want.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkiller.
Okay, so throughout this journey, my family and my friends always got my back. और जो हमेशा मेरे साथ था YouTube वीडियोस बनाने के टाइम और जो अभी भी शूट कर रहा है वो है मेरा भाई शुभम। और 2020 में हम लोग पूरा फाड़ देंगे। Peace out. Thank you so much for your love and support.
Where we started out.